Sextortion is a serious crime in which cybercriminals use manipulation, deception, and online tools to exploit innocent individuals. They prey on trust and vulnerability to gain access to sensitive material and private information, destroying reputations and lives in the process. Victims are often forced to pay thousands of dollars to keep their secrets hidden, but the damage goes far beyond money. Today, the team at Blackmail.HelpLine is examining the different types of extortion scams that commonly originate from West Africa, particularly Nigeria. The economic roots of Nigeria's online scams. In a country where economic opportunities are limited, cybercrime has become a frequent means of survival. With few stable jobs available, many people, including children and young adults, turn to online scams to earn money. This digital hustle culture has become widespread, fueled by unemployment and poverty. Nigeria's growing reputation in cybercrime has drawn attention from the FBI, Interpol, and numerous international cybercrime units. The EFCC Report. Nigeria has long been recognized as one of the primary sources of online fraud. Movies, songs, and documentaries have even depicted the sextortion networks and high-profile scammers operating there. According to the EFCC, 80% of all Nigerian criminal convictions in 2021 were linked to cybercrime. Government action. By 2024, the Nigerian government began taking major steps to curb these crimes. The Cybercrime Prohibition and Prevention Act of 2024 expanded the legal framework to address cyberstalking, coercion, and the misuse of digital platforms for extortion and exploitation, showing early signs of success. Extradition of Nigerian scammers. Nigeria is now collaborating with international authorities to combat global cybercrime. These partnerships aim to dismantle so-called hustle kingdoms. For example, the extradition of the Ogoshi brothers to the US and other cybercriminals, such as Amaruj Uwadai, has shown that accountability is possible. We previously covered these cases in detail in one of our recent videos. The Nigerian government is also working with both public and private sectors to develop technology that tracks and identifies scammers. The FBI has even joined forces with Nigeria to establish a dedicated cybercrime task force. So, what's the impact of these actions? Evidence suggests progress. Collaboration with global tech companies has led to measurable results. Meta, for instance, removed over 63,000 profiles, groups, and communities connected to sextortion operations based in Nigeria. By bringing cybercriminals to justice on an international scale, Nigeria is sending a clear message: no one can hide behind a computer screen forever. Once a hidden issue, sextortion is now a global topic of concern, driving awareness and preventive action worldwide. This growing alliance between Nigeria and international organizations is critical because cybercrime knows no borders. A unified global response is the only way forward, and Nigeria appears ready to lead the charge. Conclusion. We'll explore other major cybercrime hotspots, such as the Philippines, in future videos. Until then, stay vigilant, protect your privacy, and remember, if you're facing online blackmail or sextortion, Blackmail.HelpLine can help. Call 888-634-1535 or visit blackmailhelpline.com for immediate, confidential support.
Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at blackmailhelpline.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.